DVT augments the source code presented in editors with various kinds of information extracted during the design and test bench compilation and elaboration. Both the syntax and semantics of the language are used for highlighting the code with colors and font styles. Notice, for example, how module ports are distinctively colored in green versus signals in black. Furthermore, input ports are in italic fonts, making them easily distinguishable from output ports. enum names, parameters, and preprocessing macros, broadly speaking constants, are represented in boldface fonts. To customize coloring from the command palette, open the Workspace Settings JSON. Place the cursor on the language element you want to customize, for example, a static method call, and trigger the Inspect Editor Tokens and Scopes command. If the semantic token type is present, edit in the editor Semantic Token Color Customizations section of the JSON settings file. Notice how the setting takes effect immediately. If the semantic token type is not present, add the first entry of the TextMate scopes in the editor Token Color Customizations section. For more details, check the link in the video description.